যেহেতু আজকে বৃষ্টির দিনের প্যারাগ্রাফ নিয়ে একটু আলোচনা করি। Today is rainy day. When it rains all day long, it is called a rainy day. The environment of the rainy day seems very dark. There is a thick cloud in the sky. The rain is falling very heavily, and it is raining since the last 4 p.m. in the afternoon. In a rainy day, the roads become muddy. You look at this. In a rainy day, the roads become muddy. Water clogging are seen in a rainy day. Look at this scenery of the canal of a rainy day. The rains are visible here. They are falling on water. The water seems bouncing, and some animals are walking. Some dogs, they are sounding, seeing me. And look at the greenery field of a rainy day. Okay, the clouds are flying in the sky, and it is rainy season, so if it rains unstoppably till 10 July, it will rainy season fully. There is shortage of water, though it is a rainy season. In a rainy day, the weather looks very fresh and seems cold. I like the scenery of a rainy day, but the rainy day has terrible experience. The last year, August, heavy rainfall occurs, floods suddenly in our area in Kumilla at Laksham. The rain is giving me charm. As it is raining, I don't take my bike for transportation to go to school. I am going to school on foot. Look at this, the scenery of a rainy day, very nice. It looks little bit dark. The sun hides under the thick cloud. There is no sunlight. Look up, the clouds are flying in the sky. In a rainy day, people pass their time very idly. They can't come out from their home. They stay at their house. So there is a tragedy for the poor people, the day laborer, as their life depends on their daily income. If it rains all day long, their income stops. So it is not happy scene for the day laborer, daily workers. So though it is very enjoyable for the rich people, as they don't need to come out for working. Dear, look around the environment. The rainy day is very nice. There is a little water still visible in the green fatty field. It is nice, green, fresh, little bit dark. The cloud is flying in the sky. I really enjoying this scenery, though it is raining very heavily. There is a weather news. It may rain till 10 July. It is 2 days still remaining to stop the rain.